I was this person with many questions, and I started reading Bhagavad Gita, and all the questions were being answered.
So in today's episode, we have a great spiritual master with us, Mahatma Das Prabhu Ji, who has been serving ISKCON since the year 1969, who was also the temple president. Now he focuses on designing and conducting various workshops and retreats for the devotees and for the non-devotees to assist them in their spiritual growth. You were very fortunate and blessed to meet Srila Prabhupada Ji in person. How was your experience when you first met him?
I saw Prabhupada. I started crying. I just, was like overwhelmed.
So Prabhuji, when it comes to spirituality, everyone has their own definitions to it. So we want to understand from you is that how do you define spirituality?
Spirituality as a growing of love and devotion to God, but then that manifests in my relations and actions. And obviously life isn't perfect, so there will be ups and downs. And, have some good times, some bad times, maybe some really difficult times, maybe some really good times. I always like to think individually, okay, I could be forgiving or not. I could be tolerant or not. I could be compassionate or not. I could be truthful or not. But does the world need more or less of these things? Obviously, it needs more. So shouldn't I contribute to giving more? Because that way we can all make the world better. I find that these qualities like tolerance, compassion, humility, honesty, forgiveness, these are qualities which manifest in spiritually elevated people, which we all need. Because if we're not tolerant, our lives become very difficult, and we make our lives difficult for others.